Regular contractions. Regular contractions. Contractions are shortened words that use an apostrophe to combine two words into one. Contractions are used in conversation and in writing. It is important for you to master contractions if you want to master English. You will almost always hear contractions used in everyday speech. While it isn't necessary for you to use contractions in your writing and everyday speech, you will find that English speakers use contractions all the time. Here are some examples of regular contractions. Base words could have. The contraction could have. I could have had a car. Base words he had or he would. Contraction he'd. He'd been around for ages. He is. Contraction he's. He's a great guy. He will, she will. He'll, she'll. He'll be here in the morning. I would. I'd like another slice of pie, please. I will. I'll see you tomorrow. I am. I'm 20 years old. I have. Contraction I've been up since early this morning. Let us. Contraction let's. Let's go for a walk. Might have. Contraction might have. You might have told me that in the first place. Must have. Must have. He must have seen that one before. Base words she had or she would. Contraction she'd. She'd been trying to hear the birds. Should have. Contraction should have. You should have come with us. There is. Contraction there's. There's no business like show business. They are. Contraction they're. They're a friendly bunch of people. They would. Contraction they'd. They'd eventually get the idea. They will. Contraction they'll. They'll see the light real soon. They have. Contraction they've. They've been looking for some new herbs. We had or we would. Contraction we'd. We'd been swimming all day. We will. Contraction we'll. We'll join you tomorrow. We are. Contraction we're. We're the first ones here. We have. Contraction we've. We've never seen him before. Where is. Contraction where's. Where's the light switch? Who is? Contraction, whose? Who's going to wash the dishes? You will. Contraction, you'll. You'll find out soon enough. If you want to make a verb negative, you can add the word not to make a negative contraction. It is also a common way to answer a question in the negative. Are plus not equals aren't. Are you going to the mall on Saturday? Positive answer, yes, we are going to the mall on Saturday. A negative answer, no, we aren't going to the mall on Saturday. Can plus not equals can't. Can you swim? Positive answer, yes, I can swim. A negative answer, no, I can't swim. Here are some more negative contractions. Base word, are not. Contraction, aren't. They aren't coming. Cannot, can't. Fish can't fly. Could not, couldn't. He couldn't read the label. Did not, didn't. We didn't finish the movie. Does not, doesn't. She doesn't have a clue. Do not, don't. I don't want any more cake. Had not, hadn't. I hadn't seen her in ages. Has not, hasn't. She hasn't been a waitress for very long. Have not, haven't. They haven't eaten yet. Is not, isn't. That isn't funny. Must not, mustn't. You mustn't play on the road. Should not, shouldn't. You shouldn't swim immediately after eating. Was not, wasn't. The cat wasn't hungry. Were not, weren't. The cats weren't hungry. Will not, won't. I won't ask you again. Would not, wouldn't. I wouldn't do that if I were you. So remember, while you do not have to use contractions in your writing or speech, English speakers will constantly use contractions in their everyday speech or writing. Mastering contractions is an important part of mastering English. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell now. Please like, share, and comment on this video. See you in the next video.